everybody. Wanted to get this trade of the week to you. There's a disclaimer. Not going to read it, but there it is. Okay, so this is not a trade signal. We've discussed this at length in the live room this morning, and this video is just a short recap of an idea for a big opportunity that may transpire in the near future. All trade ideas are for educational purposes only. Okay, so our idea is over here on the pound dollar. All right, so first of all, let's take a look at the dollar index. You can see the dollar is trying to make a breakout to the downside right now, and MACD is rolling over, so it's trying to push on through here. If it is successful, then we should see pounds and euros go to the upside, all right, against the dollar. So currently, the ATR of the pound dollar puts the target at 37.28. The ATR of the pound dollar is 159 pips. All right, so it's 159 pips from right down here to the upside. But if this starts up here, and after we get the 5 o'clock new ATR, this amount right here would get added up to right about in here. So you can see right there. So you may be able to get up as high as 1.3800 here. And they're going to want to move this pretty fast because FOMC is on Wednesday, and everything is going to die out from there. So there you go. All right. So you can see you do have a zero line break on this on the MACD down here. You have a T3 break here. That means 82% going in that direction. If you take a look at our charts, which are amazing, trying to go up, 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 trying to go up. So all systems say we're trying to go up, all right? So you'd have this opportunity right here. You need a break, hook, and go right here. We're in the hook right now. Trade 1 is there, trade 2 is there, trade 3 is there, and trade 4 is here if it goes after 5 o'clock, and you might even get all the way up to the 3,800. So there you go. Will it happen? I don't know if it's going to happen, but the chart says we might be able to do it. So if the dollar continues down, I'd certainly look for that opportunity. All right, hope that helps you. Talk to you later.